Just thought I'd show you my entrance to the house, the porch. I follow the FlyLady system for keeping house. And last week we were in zone 1, and on my list for zone 1 was to tidy up the porch, the entrance to the house. It had been looking quite scruffy because we'd had spring bulbs in here, but they'd completely gone over. So I'd been putting it off all week, and then this week we're actually in zone 3, but I thought I still want to do the porch. So what I've done is I've come in, I've cleaned the shelves, set my timer, put my lace up shoes on, set a timer for 15 minutes, and I thought I'll just do what I can do in 15 minutes. So I cleaned the shelves. I just used my normal cleaning products, bucket of warm water and a sponge. Cleaned these shelves, and then I had some plants that I wasn't sure where to plant. So I've popped them into these terracotta pots. As you can see here, this is one that's been overwintering in the conservatory. It's a lovely daisy. It self-seeds everywhere, and these are actually self-seeded into pots that had geraniums in last year. I bought this yesterday on the local car boot sale. I just couldn't resist it. It's such a beautiful colour. No idea what the variety is, but it's not one I've seen before, so I just loved it. These were in here over winter. We sometimes put tea lights in them. I think they may need to go away soon. Over here I've done the same thing. Again, this is a plant that's come out of the conservatory. It won't cope with the warmth in the conservatory at this time of year, so I brought it outside about a week ago, but because the weather's been quite chilly, it's not been very happy. It's actually got a house plant in here as well. Again, the daisy just seeded into the pot, but actually I love it in there, so I'm going to leave it. I thought it's ideal for the porch. And then another conservatory plant here. Again, it's been struggling a little bit and drying out, so I've brought this out. This is a lovely little thing. I'm not sure the name of it, but again, it seeds into the pots in the conservatory, and it's just beautiful. It's like almost like a clover leaf, and it will cope with sort of shade. This conservatory is quite this porch is quite shady. I'll just pull back and give you a view. It's the main entrance to the house, although actually it doesn't get used very often. I've got lovely climbing roses here, which are about to flower. Can't really see them. Oh, there we go. They're actually overhanging the porch, so they will need quite a good haircut once they've flowered, but I can't bring myself to cut them back yet. I also bushed out the floor because it was full of leaves, and I've cleaned the door. And literally, it took me 15 minutes to do all the work and to make this video. My timer's now going off on my wrist, so I thought I'd just share that with you. Bye for now.